Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make coffee powder. To begin, acquire fresh, green coffee beans, as their inherent quality directly influences the final taste. Next, you will roast these beans to your preferred level, which develops their unique aromatic profile. Following roasting, the beans are ground into a fine powder, ready for brewing. Finally, proper storage is essential to preserve the powder's freshness and flavor for an extended period. Roasting is the first critical step in transforming green beans into flavorful coffee. You can use a dedicated home roaster or even an oven, heating the beans to about 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Listen carefully for the first crack, which typically occurs around 8 minutes, signaling a light roast. If you continue to about 12 minutes, you'll hear the second crack, indicating a darker, more developed roast. This process unlocks the beans' complex aromas. Once your beans are perfectly roasted and fully cooled, it's time to grind them into powder. For the best results, always use a burr grinder, as it provides a uniform particle size, crucial for even extraction. Adjust your grinder's setting based on your brewing method. For instance, espresso requires a very fine grind, while a French press needs a much coarser consistency. Consistency in grind size is key to a delicious cup. Achieving the correct grind consistency is vital. For example, a drip coffee maker typically performs best with a grind similar to fine sand. An inconsistent grind can lead to uneven extraction, resulting in either bitter or weak coffee. To preserve your freshly made coffee powder, store it in an opaque, airtight container, away from heat and light. For the best flavor, aim to use your ground coffee within 1 to 2 weeks of grinding.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.